Hello everyone, welcome you all in class 10th social science classes. This is part of economic and we are starting chapter number 1 development. This is the first video or first part of this chapter. So let's start that chapter. Development. So first of all we should know that what is the meaning of development. So development is an idea which is progress has always been with us. It means the idea of development, or we can say the progress. It means we want always the progress in our life. So in this way we can say that development is the further improvement from the prior condition in any form, means whatever the present situation, so it should be change in future in form of its progress. This is called as a development. So, we have a aspiration or desire about what we like to do, yeah, what would like, and how we would like to live. Each and every person on our earth's surface has some kind of development aims according to their aspiration, according to their situation, means whatever their situation is, so they always desired for a better tomorrow. So this aim, this form, this desire is basically called as a development. Development. Here we can see the doctor and a farmer. You can see the two people in this picture. Each and everyone think about their personal development or progress. Do you know the present time in each and every person think about their own development, but they think their development according to their situation. As you can see in this picture, that a doctor, a boy who wants to become a doctor, who is getting the education. So we can say a educated person or a student want to become a doctor. So as a doctor, or we can say the goal of doctor is the development of this student, of this boy. But when we talk about a farmer, so the farmer can't be think about a doctor because he don't have the basic qualification. So he just think to own a piece of land. Here we are talking about a landless laborer, a landless farmer who don't have its own land. So he just desire that suppose he has a land and he can cultivate the land. So in a simple word we can say that each and every person have different development goal, and these goal according to their aspiration, according to their situation and their notion. So each and every person has a different goal. So the first concept of development is different people have different development goals, and as I told you, on the basis of situation, aspiration and desires. Whatever their desires, whatever their need and whatever their situation, they think about that kind of development. Here we are talking about a girl. In our society is a male dominating society. So a girl wants to freedom according to his brother. So the development goal of the girl to need more freedom. So she has a different development goal. If we talk about a housewife or a married lady, so he just suppose that my son should settle abroad. So when we talk about as a prosper lady, you can see in the picture, she is a prosper lady, so she is not thinking about the freedom, although she is a woman, but she is not thinking about the freedom because she has freedom. So she wish that his son should be settled in abroad. So here we can see that the person is different. Here gender is same, but the situation is different, aspiration is different, so the goals automatically become different. A unemployed person who don't have job, he just supposing that he wish to get a good job, so this is his development goal. So in this way we can see the first concept of the development, that different people have different development goal according to their situation, according to their needs, and according to their aspiration. But sometimes it's happened that we can say that different people have different development goals. But sometimes it also happen that these development goal may be conflicting to each other. This concept will discuss with the help of this example. A dam is a development for a farmer because he gets water for a irrigation. It is destructive for a tribal man. Why? Because his living place will be submerged in water. So in this we can say that construction of a dam is useful for farmer because he required the irrigation, useful for an industrialist because by the setup of dam he can construct the electricity, he can produce the electricity, and by selling the electricity he can earn the income, he can earn the profit. But on the same time, the tribal people, those land which can be undertaken in the dam, they are not happy with this development. They are not supposing this development goal because their land can be or will be submerged in the water, and the main occupation, which is only the farming, or we can say the primitive farming, they can't do and they can't live their life. So that's why in this way we can say that different people have different development goals, but sometimes they can conflicting to each other. It means for the one development goal maybe destroy the other one, or for the one development goal may be conflicting to the others. People may have different and conflicting notion about a country's development also. When we talk about the country's development, here we just talking about the individual development, but when we talk about the country's development, so in country there are number of people, and number of people they have number of choices, number of needs, number of aspiration. So how can we get to one, that what should the development for our country. So people may have different and conflicting notion about a country's development. As Mahatma Gandhi said that there should be a independent, means so for the independence of work, there should be establishment of cottage and village industry, and this should be developed so that each and every person get a job, get a work. But as you know, our first Prime Minister Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru ji, he just want to the entire economic develop of the country. So that's why he supposed that there should the establishment of large scale industry for the entire country's development. So in this way we can say that for the entire country's development we have to go with one development which can include the entire country's common interests, and that should be promote for the country's development. So the main object, or we can say the main concept, that is the money. Money or income is the one of the main development goal of most of the people, because money can get a person material things needed to live well. So money is the common criteria, or we can say a common thing for the development of entire country. So a country need to be include all desires, all common aspiration for the country's development, country's goal. Thank you so much. Rest of topic we will discuss in next module.